Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update core data migrations in iOS apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin updating core data migrations, open your Xcode project. Ensure that you back up your existing data model. Locate your current data model file in the Xcode project navigator. Select the data model file to open it in the editor. Identify the version of the data model you're currently using. Click on the editor menu and choose Add Model Version. Name the new model version and select the latest version as the base. After creating the new version, make your desired changes to the model. These changes may include adding new entities, attributes, or relationships. Once modifications are made, ensure you set the new version as the current version. Click on the new version and select Set Current Version from the menu. Next, you need to create a migration method. In your data controller or persistence layer, add the code for migration. Use the NS Migration Manager class to perform the migration. Ensure the source and destination models are correctly configured. Prepare to handle any potential migration errors. Once the migration logic is in place, test it thoroughly. Create unit tests to confirm that the migration behaves as expected. Run your application to trigger the migration process. Check your data to ensure everything migrated successfully. Monitor for any inconsistencies or issues post-migration. If necessary, utilize logging to capture migration events for debugging. This systematic approach will ensure a smooth migration process in your iOS app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.